ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम्. We are in the last sutra of Ayanta Strilinga Prakarana. And we are seeing the Rukaranta Shabdas. Rukaranta Shabda, generally all Rukaranta Shabdas will become Dirgha Ikaranta because of the sutra. Runnebhyo Nib. Any Rukaranta Shabda, if we want the Strilinga form of that Rukaranta Shabda, it should turn first Ikaranta and then it is declared general. But the words which are Shat Saudnyaka, they will not get nip or tap pratyayas. So generally, in order to create a Strilinga form of any Shabda, this Dirgha Ikara Swarupa Pratyayas or Akara Swarupa Pratyayas will be attached to Shabda. So there are few Shabdas which will get Shat Saudhnya, Shabdas which end with Shakara, Nakara. These Shabdas are named as Shat, Shnanta Shat by this sutra. Those Shabdas, if we want the Strilinga form of those words, then the Prapta Dirgha Ikara of that Nip will not come. Then there is Swasradi Gana. Swasra is a sister. So there is one Gana, Swasradi Gana. In that, whatever the Shabdas are there, after those Shabdas also, Nip Pratyay will not come or Tap Pratyay will not come. That is the meaning of Nashat Swasradibhya. So Shat Saudnyakebhya Swasradi Ganastha Shabdebhya Nip Tapau Nastha. These Pratyayas will not happen. That is the meaning. Shat Saudnyakas Shabdas, what are those? So Shabdas which will end with Nakara. So Panchan, Saptan, Ashtan, Navan, Dashan. These are the Sankhya-vachaka Shabdas. They only get Shat Saudnya. So these Shabdas which will not get Stri Pratyaya Nip, it was Prapta by Runnebhyo Nip. And Swasradigana Shabdas are these Swasru, Dvitru, Nanandru, Yatru, Matru, Tisru, Chatasru. Though these are Rakaranta Shabdas, as per the Runnebhyo Nip was Prapta, does not come because of this sutra. That is the main work of this sutra. Therefore, now by declining Kroštru Shabda in Strilinga, we brought this Nip and we got the general idea that okay, Rukaranta Shabdas are going to be declined like Ikaranta by using Nip Pratyay after them. But there are few Shabdas which are Rukaranta, but to express Tritva of those Shabdas, we don't need to bring Nip Pratyaya by this sutra. Now, since we are not bringing Nip Pratyaya, how are we supposed to decline those Shabdas? So the Prakriya will go like Rukaranta Shabda. Rukaranta Pullinga as we did in Rukaranta Pullinga Shabda. That Prakriya will be followed for this Rukaranta Shabdas. Of course, some difference will be there. Whatever is the work specifically mentioned for taking the Pullingatva of that particular Shabda in account, that work will not happen. Everything else will happen. Then for this Na Tisru Chatasru, this Tisru Chatasru, these two Shabdas, and these are declined. This Nutagama, when happens, Nami Dirgha does not happen. So that type of things specific work will happen. So let's see now this Panchan, Ashtan, Navan, all the Shat-Saudnyaka Shabdas, when they are declined, of course we will see this in Halanta, but since it is coming here, Shat-Saudnya, so when they are declined for Pullinga and Strilinga or Napunsakalinga, forms will be same. So Pancha Pustakani, Pancha Purushaha, Pancha Mahilaha. So there won't be any difference. Same. Shat, Pancha, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. Purushaha, Mahilaha, Pustakani. There won't be any difference. Now, for us now, for the topic, Rukaranta Shabda, means Swasradigana Shabdas are the main topic of discussion, because as per the order, Rukaranta Shabdas we are supposed to discuss. So Rukaranta Strilinga Shabda, Granthakara has given one Karika where Swasradigana is given in one shloka. Swasa tisrash chatasrascha nananda duhita tatha yata mateti saptete swasradaya udaharta. So swasru, tisru, chatasru, nanandru, duhitru, yatru, matru, that's it. These are the swasradi shabdas. Now we are supposed to decline these shabdas. Let's take the very first shabda, swasru. This is Rukaranta Shabda. Dhana Su. Swasru Dhana Su. Now, you remember the Prakriya. We have already done the Prakriya. What will happen here? Here, the Anang Adesha comes. In Rukaranta Shabda, we had seen Rudushanas Purudamso Neha Sancha. Swas Ru will be replaced by Anang. By this, we brought the Anang Adesha in the place of Rukara. So, Swas Anang Sa. Further, it becomes Swas An. Na will disappear. A will disappear by Lobha. We got Swa San Sa. Now, what will happen?
Upadha Dirgha.
Okay, Upadha Dirgha will happen.
By Aptrontrich.
By Aptrantrich, Susru, Naptru, Neftru, Tastru, Shatru, Otru, Gotru, Prashastrana. Read this. By that sutra, Upadha Dirgha happen. Now, next.
Halangyabhyo Dirgha Sutisya Praktam Bhav. that sakara will get lopa.
ज्ञाभ्यो दीर्घात् सुतिस्. Next.
न लोपः प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य.
न लोप प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य. So, न will disappear. Sutra is न लोप प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य. Now, स्वसान शब्द is pada, but is having pratipadika saudhnya. It does not lose its pratipadika saudhnya. Because of that pratipadika saudhnya, न disappears. न लोप प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य. सा शब्द we get. Now, next will be sru dhana au. What will happen?
ऋतोनि सर्वनामस्थानयोः.
Correct. Guna will come along with refa. Sutra is sarva nama sthanayoh. Rudanta shabda will get guna when there is ni pratyaya, saptami vibhakti ekvachan, or sarvanama sthana pratyaya in front of it. Rutogi sarvanama sthanayoh was prapta here also. Swas ru su, because su is sarvanama sthana pratyaya, but this rutongi sarvanama sthanayoh is utsarga rudushana spurudonso neha sancha anang adesha is apvada for that, and that anang adesha takes place there. Now swas ar au. Now what will happen?
उपधा दीर्घ
Upadha dirgha
अकृन्त.
then then final form is read. Sru dhanajas here.
अल्
Or
ऋतोनि सर्वनामस्थान.
anayoh रण प्रपरः will be
अप्तृञ्च.
शोरुः खरवसानयोर्विसर्जनीयः. श्रु धन अम.
Again ऋतोनि सर्वनामस्थानयोः.
ऋतोनि सर्वनामस्थानयोः.
उपधा दीर्घ by अपत्रंत्रच.
Then out. तो ही सर्वनाम दीर्घ अंतरिक्ष. Sru, Dhana, Shas. Now, what will happen here?
प्रथमयोः पूर्णस्य वर्णः.
Will disappear लशकता देते. Here, Pratami Sarvanama Sthanayoho will not be applicable. Reason?
Because it is not me, it is not Sarvanama Sthana.
It is not Sarvanama
So
Sthana.
I'll just come out is the Sarvanama Sthana.
Plus Dirgharu Savarna will take place, and hereafter generally which brings the nakara adesha pullinga tasmat chaso napunsi tasmat kratapurva savarna dirghat shasa sakarasya nakarasya, that will not happen, so ru will remain as it is. So we'll go through the upasargatva process and we will get upasarga at the end. Swasru hu. We don't find much visarga, but these are the strilinga shabdas which we can see the visarga after dirgha rukara. Rukara in general. Otherwise, after ikara, after ukara, after akara, akara, we find them very commonly. That's it. Paravasana. Ta. What will happen here?
Ji Swasruhu, how it becomes Dirgha?
Pratamayo purva savarna.
Rukara.
Yeah, Pratamayo purva savarna.
Oh, sir.
पूर्व सवर्ण दीर्घ आदेश प्रथमयोः पूर्व सवर्ण दीर्घ एकादेशः स्यात् पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने. So पूर्व एक पूर्वपर is the adhikar going on there, and dirgha is the adesha which is happening. Swasru ta, swasru a. What will happen here?
Eco energy.
Energy. Swasru dhana. Dhana this. He. Sasajufuru paravasana visarjaniyo. Swasru dhana Yes. Yeah. Then again, what will happen here? What will happen here?
Eco energy.
Energy. No specific work is mentioned, so just eco energy will happen. स्वस्रे तो धनभ्याम स्वस्वरूपो परवसान विसर्जनीय. आपण here.
उत आदेश.
सूत्र
ऋत उत.
ut. This now one step we will have to increase. This rikara will also disappear, akara will also disappear, because this comes under the ekapurva parayoho. In that adhikara it comes, therefore rikara and akara, both of them will be replaced by ukara. Ukara will come with epa purandraparaha. Swas, dhana, ur, and there is sa. Sutra is rita ut. एकपूर्वपरयोः अरे पठितमिदं सूत्रम्. This comes ekapurvaparayoh in this adhikara. Purandrapara, obviously that ukara, whatever the hun comes in the place of rikara, that comes along with refa. That is the rule. So that's how it came. Now swas, dhana, ur, sa, what will happen here? This is the situation in front of us. Swasurs. The hint, this lopa is prapta. Nantam padam
राजसस्य.
This is utsarga. This is the rule, common rule. But after this, there comes the niyama vidhi. Niyama vidhi is rat sasya. So sakara will disappear. Sur, sa will disappear. Sutra is here. Yes. In English it is fine. So niyama is here, if at all in Sanyogantasya lopa is happening in the case of sakara, and sorry, in the case of refa, then only sakara will disappear and not any other letter. If there is sanyoga of refa and any other consonant, then let that other consonant be sakara only to be disappeared from that sanyoga, not any other letter. So wherever there is sanyoga at the end of any pada, and that sanyoga is of refa and any other letter, then other letter, in order to apply the Sanyogantasya lopa, other letter should be sakara only. If there is any other letter, ka or kha or ga or sha, those letters will not disappear. Only sakara will disappear. So even sakara was siddha, but again it was arabdha, so it becomes niyama and specifies the application, narrows down the application of the first sutra. So thus we get swasur, then refa turns into visarga by sasarushoro, kharavasana visarjaniya, we get swasuhu. Then yeah, yeah. Nas. What will happen here?
Ruta ut.
The ud again, same prakriya. Then again, sakara will disappear.
Ratsasya.
Ratsasya. Sasajushoro, kharavasana visarjaniya. Swasuhu. Asru.
Eco energy.
Energy. No विशेष प्रक्रिया. Sushuru, kharavasana visarjaniya. Sakara will turn into visarga. Swasruho. Swasru. Dhana am.
Again Ruta ut.
No, it is Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan. Ruta ut. V is applicable only in the case of Nasi and Nas. Common practice, if there is no specific sutra for here. The form is final answer. What will be the prakriya? रागम. Nandyapo. Now what will happen?
Nadichi.
No. Nadichi. Nadichi is applicable where there is akaranta shabda and getting declined with this au.
Yes.
Here the Purva Savarna Dirgha does not take place. Buddhi takes place. Okay,
And
Swasru.
Kupang Numyavadi.
Okay, that will be applicable. But before that,
Nami.
Nami will be applicable. Nam is there now. Swas. Dirgharu. Nami Paryajantangasya Dirghasya. Now, Atkuponu Vyavayati. Swasru. Now, final form. No more changes. Vyava. Ni. What will happen here?
Trutoni Sarvanamasthani.
Ni and Sarvanamasthana. So here there is Ni. Saptami Bhakti Ekvachan. Again, Guna will take place. Swas. Dhana. Ar. Na E. Nama. Then
Swasari.
final one. Then Os. What will happen here?
Eco energy.
Eco energy. Therefore will come. Os. Oho. Sasasukhoro. Paravasana. Rusachana. What will happen here?
Adesha Pratyayo.
Adesha Pratyayo. Su. Now. Sru, Dhana, Sambodhana, Su. What will happen here?
Trutoni Sarvanamasthani.
Correct. So, us. Now, what will happen here?
Halangyablo Dirgat Suti Sapraktam Bhat.
Halangyabhyo Dirghat Sutisya Praktam Hal. Won't there be this sutra applicable Aptruntrich Swasrun Aptruneshtu Toshtu Kshatru Hotra Gotra Prashastra?
No.
Reason is
That will applicable only Asambuddhi Vachika. Sarvanama Sthanam.
Sarvanama Sthanam, but not Sambuddhi. This is Sambuddhi Sarvanama Sthanam. Therefore, it will not be applicable. Now, Sakara will disappear.
Alangyabhyo Dibhratsi.
Now, Sasarusuru Karavasana Rusasana. Swasru, then out. What will happen here?
Pratoni Sarvanama Sthanam. Upada Dirgha will take place here also. Swasarau. Just what will happen here? Pratoni Sarvanama Sthanam.
Then
Aptrantrich. Upadha Dirgha.
देशजनो नासिकैत् तस्य लोपः हे स्वसः हे स्वसारं हे स्वसारः स्वसा स्वसारौ स्वसारः स्वसारं स्वसारौ स्वश्रुः स्वस्रा स्वश्रुभ्यां स्वश्रुभिः स्वस्रे स्वश्रुभ्यां स्वश्रुभ्यः स्वसुः स्वश्रुभ्यां स्वश्रुभ्यः स्वसुः स्वश्रोः स्वश्रूणां स्वसरि स्वश्रोः स्वश्रुः हे स्वसः हे स्वसारौ हे स्वसारः is the shabda from Swasradigana, only shabda which is declined little bit odd. Means it will be declined like any Trijanta shabda, like karta kartaro kartaraha. Now, when it comes to other shabdas now remaining nanandru, duhitru, yatru, matru. These shabdas will be different from Swasru shabda. What is the difference? The reason is Swasru shabda comes in the aptruntruch, swasrun, aptrun, eftrut, ashtruk, kshatru, otru, potru, prashastranam. Swasru shabda comes there. Other is nanandru, Duhitru, Yatru, Matru. These shabdas are not coming in that sutra. Therefore, Upadha Dirgha does not take place for them. By Aptrantruch. So Aptrantruch is applicable when there is this Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas are there in front of it. Only Upadha Dirgha takes place Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. There it takes place. Everywhere else, as we were bringing by this Aptrantruch, that will not come. How? Let's see. Now next Shabda is Tisra and Chatasru. These two Shabdas we have already declined. So no need to decline them. Next is next Shabda is Nanandru. I will take Yatru. Yatru, Nanandru, Duhitru, Matru, all of them are same. So we will take Matru. That we will decline. All other, this Nanandru, Duhitru, Yatru, all they will be declined like Matru Shabda. So we will take Matru. Nanandru is little bit long Shabda. So Matru, Dhanasu. This is the situation in front of us. Matru, Dhanasu. What will happen here?
Shrudushanas Purudamso Nekasancha.
Adesha will come. Sancha. Then
Alangyambhyo Dirghat Shutisya Pratam Khal.
okay. Then this is what happens.
Upadha Dirgha won't happen here. Right?
We did.
Aptrantruch.
Obviously, in Aptrantruch it is not there. Aptrantruch. Swasru, Naptru, Neshtru, Tvashtru, Shatru, Hotru, Potru, Prashastru. So Matru does not come in. नामस्थाने च सर्वनामस्थाने च संबुद्धौ. This sutra tells that nantasya upadha dirghasya. The word ending with nakara of that upadha will become dirgha when there is asambuddhi sarvanamasthana pratyaya. So here there is asambuddhi sarvanamasthana supratyaya. Therefore upadha dirgha takes place of nakaranta shabda. Aptrantruch swasru naptru neshtu toshtu kshatru otru potru prashastranam shabda tells that in general upadha dirgha, do the upadha dirgha in general of these all words when there is sarvanamasthana pratyaya in front of it. But this particular sutra tells that the shabda should be nakaranta and there should be asambuddhi sarvanama sthana, then upadha dirgha will take place. So that's how here it is sarvanama sthana, it is not sambuddhi, and it is nakaranta. Therefore, upadha dirgha takes place by this sutra. So matan sa. Now what will happen?
Halangyambyo dirgha disappear.
So I will disappear. Now,
Na will get lopa.
why?
Nanta. Na lopaha pratipadikantasi.
लोप प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य माता. Now, matru dhana au. What will happen here?
Rutoni sarvanama sthanam.
Or guna will happen by rutoni sarvanama sthanayoho. Sarvanama sthanayoho sutra is simply telling that Rukaranta Shabda should be there. And there should be Ni Pratyaya or Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya in front of it. At that time, the guna will take place. Now this, here also, Rutongi Sarvanama Sthanayoho was prapta in the Matru Dhanasu. Here also it was prapta. But it is stopped by this particular sutra. Pradushana Sprodon Sunya Sanchan, we bring Anagadasha. But here, Rutongi Sarvanama Sthanayoho is applicable. Now, here, what will happen now?
Mataram.
Mataram. Final form is the Upadha Dirgha will not happen because there is no sutra for that. Aptrantruch does not include Matru Shabda, does not include Pitru, Yatru, Nanandru, Duhitru. These Shabdas are not included in Aptrantruch Sasranaptam. Therefore, because they are not included, their Upadha Dirgha does not take place. Therefore, Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha, Pitaram, Pitarau, then Pitrun, Pitra, Pitrubhyam. Thereafter, we don't need Upadha Dirgha anyway does not take place. Same way, Mata, Matarau, Matru, Dhanajas. What will happen here?
Rutoni sarvanama sthanam.
Urtangi Sarvanama Sthanayoho, just guna will take place. Mat, Har, Mataras, Matararu, Matarar, Matarah. Shuru Kharavasana Visarjaniya. Matru, Ana, what will happen here?
Rutoni sarvanama sthanam. Is ready? Mataram. One day, Mataram, that Mataram is this. Then, Matru, Dhana out. Again, Rutongi Sarvanama Sthanayoho. Mataro. Matru, Dhanashas. What will happen here? Prathamayoho purva savarna.
Prathamayoho Purva Savarna. So, Mat 0 plus 0. Mat Sa is Purva Savarna. Mat
खरवसानयोर विसर्जनीयः धनटा आपण here
eco energy,
इको एनर्जी मातृ धन भ्याम मातृ धन भिस ससजुषोरु खरवसानयोर विसर्जनीयः मातृ धन ङे what will happen here
eco energy,
इको एनर्जी मात्रे मातृ धनभ्याम मातृ धनभ्यस ससजुषोरु खरवसानयोर विसर्जनीयः धन नसी what will happen here
ruta ut,
zero plus zero sa ur sa सूत्र is पूर्व सवर्ण एकादेश टेक्स प्लेस नॉट पूर्व सवर्ण प्रथमयोः सॉरी एक पूर्वपरयोः एकादेश मात happen here
ratsasya,
तात सस्य मातुर ससजुषो सॉरी खरवसानयोर विसर्जनीय विल टेक प्लेस मातुः मातृ यस मातृभ्यः धन नस what will happen here
ruta ut,
again rutaut mat will disappear will disappear ur replace विसर्जनीय पर्यावसाने च परे रेफस्य विसर्जनीयस्य सो रेफ टर्न्स इनटू विसर्ग न
eco energy,
वसानयोर विसर्जनीयः मात्रोः मातृ
is it only refa or ar,
जी
matrohu,
matros here it will become matros
ah yes,
ससजुषुरुः
सर्वसामान्य विसर्जनीय. करेक्ट.
SG.
मातृ धन आम षष्ठी विभक्ती बहुवचन. मग पहिला आपण या
नाम.
नवीन आपण काय सूत्र. Now what will happen?
नामी.
Ajantanga will become dirgha. Matru nam.
At Kupang Namya Maye.
Matrunam.
Ritoni Sarvanamasthani.
Guna will come in the place of Sarva Namasthanayo. That's it. Matari. Matru धन ओस येण्याची मातृ. मातृ धन
आदेश प्रत्ययो.
आदेश प्रत्ययो. मातृ धन सु.
Ritoni Sarvanamasthani.
Right? Now
Kalangyabhyo Dirgha Pratyam.
संज्ञाभ्यो दीर्घात् अतः मातृ धन औ
Ritoni Sarvanamasthani.
just
Ritoni Sarvanamasthani.
सर्वनामस्थान.
वंदे मातरम. माता मातरो मातर मातरम मातरो मातृः मात्र मातृभ्य मातृभिः मात्रे मातृभ्य मातृभ्यः मातुः मातृभ्य मातृभ्यः मातुः मात्रो मातॄणां मातरे मातृः मातृसु हे मातः हे मातरो हे मातरः. So here this swasradiganastha shabdas, they are declined like this. Till this portion we have finished. Next class we will do the Dev Shabda, Ra Shabda, Rai Shabda and Nau Shabda. We do Shanti Path. Hariom Swamiji.
Dharan,
Yes, Swamiji.
Shanti Mantra, then I can go.
Okay, Swamiji. We
If
will
they
do
have
Shanti.
questions, they can stay.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om Swamiji.